Hey everybody, welcome to Technology and Toys, and today's video is going to be an unboxing and review of NuVending's NuCharger Snap200. This is a wireless charger for your car. This is a smaller version of their NuCharger Auto, which is linked up here if you guys want to check that out. Not too much on the box. So let's get inside. Oh, and we have the NuVending catalog, like we get with nearly every NuVending product. And you get a bunch of different products. I've taken a look at some of these. New torch is actually right here. Bamboo wireless charger is also right here. NuCharger Snap200 is also right here. So it's a NuVending party right now. Fold that back up, stick that back in there. Lift the charger out. Oh, we get some stuff under it. A USB Type A to micro USB Type B cable to supply power to it. And this is also great. I don't think I've seen a car charger do this before. They include the cigarette lighter charger. I don't think I've seen that before. Then on the bottom you get a couple things. You get what looks to be a magnetic pad of some sorts. A wet and a dry wipe. Another adhesive strip for the bottom. And you get a user manual. So we'll move everything off to the side and open up the charger itself. Put that off to the side too. And oh, no way. No way. Do I get to peel it? Oh, I get to peel it. Not as satisfying as some peels. But this is really sticky. This surface is really sticky, and it's supposed to be really sticky. That way you can put your phone on it and it will stick to your phone, and then it comes off with a relative ease, and then you can just put it on the other way. And like I'm just placing this down. Like I'm gently placing it, and it's holding on for dear life. It's plugged in to power, so in theory we should be able to just drop the phone on it and it starts charging. You have a little LED indicator there, and then this, you peel this off and you stick it to your dashboard, and then to adjust it you just unscrew this and tilt it to wherever you want, and then screw it back in. Oh, that's kind of got a bit of range to it. Yeah, that's got a little bit of range to it, so this will work through cases. On Amazon right now, this is $25. It's a little higher than average price for most wireless chargers I've taken a look at on this channel. I don't believe it supports fast wireless charging. It doesn't say anything about it here on the Amazon page. Let me just scroll down and check just to make sure. No, it doesn't. That kind of sucks. But they also did mention on their page that it does support their first-party charging cases. If I can get this off. So this is the NuCharger Qi 5000. That'll be linked up here. And I also have their Qi 3000 for plus and non-plus phones respectively. So if I put the NuCharger Qi 5000 down on the Snap200, it starts charging, as you can see there. And if I, oh god, that feels so bad. That feels so wrong. And let's do the Qi 3000. That starts charging. So again, this is $25 on Amazon, and it does not support fast wireless charging, which is okay for some people. Other people, that might be a deal breaker. For me, I don't particularly care. As long as it's wireless charging, I'm good. I'll have this link down below, as well as all of NuVending's social media, their website, and their new catalog, I believe they refer to it as. That'll all be down in the description for you guys to check out at your leisure. So there you guys have it. That is my unboxing and review of NuVending's NuCharger Snap200. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on notifications so that way you don't miss my next video. This has been Jake with Technology and Toys, and until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.